Hello students, welcome to Mathematics Content Library for grade 9. Today we are going to revise the chapter Constructions. In this chapter we studied four type of constructions: constructing a triangle given its base angle and the sum of other two sides. Next, construction of a triangle given its base angle and the difference of other two sides. Next, construction of triangle given its base angle and the difference of other two sides. And the last one, construction of triangle given its perimeter and two base angles. Now, we will discuss each constructions step by step. Now we will discuss the first construction. To construct a triangle given its a base angle and the sum of other two sides. We'll revise this by taking the example. Construct a triangle ABC where AB is equal to 8 cm, angle A is equal to 60 degree and AC plus BC is equal to 12 cm. First, we measure AB which is equal to 8 cm and draw a line. Next, keeping the protractor at vertex A, we measure 60 degree and draw a line. Next, from the point A, with the length of AC plus BC, that is 12 cm, we cut an arc D and join BD. Now we have to draw the perpendicular bisector for the side BD. So keeping the compass at B, with more than half of the length of BD, we cut two arcs on either side of the BD. Then, without changing the length of the compass, keeping at D, we cut these two arcs. Then join the 2 points, and these 2 points touch the line AD at this point. This is the point C, and we join BC. This ABC is the required triangle. We can measure the length of AC and BC and we can check that the sum of these two is equal to 12. So we got AC is equal to 5 cm, BC is equal to 7 cm and the sum of these two sides is 12 cm. Next, to construct a triangle given its a base angle and the difference of other two sides. There are two methods in this type of construction. The method 1 is given angle is acute and the side opposite to the given angle is smaller. Okay, so if this is the condition, then we follow the method 1. So we'll take the example. Construct a triangle ABC where AB is equal to 6 cm, angle A is equal to 50 degree and AC minus BC is equal to 2 cm. First, we measure AB is equal to 6 cm. Then, keeping the protractor at A, measure 50 degree and draw a line. Now, with the length of 2 cm, which is given as AC minus BC, keeping the compass at A, we cut 2 cm, that is the point D, and we join BD. Now we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of BD, and the perpendicular bisector of BD meets the line AD at C and we join BC. So triangle ABC is the required triangle. We can also measure AC and BC. AC is equal to 9.1, BC is equal to 7.1, and the difference AC minus BC is equal to 2 centimeter. Now we'll go to the method 2. Method 2 tells given angle is acute and the side opposite to the given angle is greater, then we'll follow the method 2. And method 2 is also followed if the given angle is right angle or an obtuse angle. So we will take one example where the side opposite to the given angle is greater. We'll discuss the construction by taking this as the example. So example, construct a triangle ABC where AB is equal to 6 centimeter, angle A is equal to 50 and BC minus AC is equal to 3 centimeter. First, draw the line AB which is equal to 6 centimeter. Then construct angle 50 degree at A by using the protractor, and the line joining the angle 50 degree that has to be extended towards downside. That is the slight difference in the method 2 compared to method 1. In method 1, all the construction was above the line AB, but in method 2, we are extending the line of 50-degree angle towards downside. Next, cut the point D, which is the difference of BC minus AC, which is given as 3 centimeter. We have to cut D. Then join BD. Now we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of BD, and the perpendicular bisector of BD cuts the line segment AD extended at the point C. And join BC. Now the triangle ABC is the required triangle. We can measure the length of BC and AC. BC is equal to 4.8, AC is equal to 1.8 and BC minus AC is equal to 3 centimeter. Now we'll move to the next construction. To construct a triangle, given its perimeter and two base angles. We already studied that perimeter means it is the sum of all the three sides of a triangle. Okay, so we'll take the example. Construct a triangle ABC whose perimeter is 15 centimeter and the two base angles, that is angle A is equal to 60 and angle B is equal to 50 degree. First, take the whole 15 centimeter as the base and we name it as XY. Be careful here. It is X and Y. There is no relation between the triangle ABC and the XY. It is a sum of all the three sides. That's why we have taken the whole perimeter as XY and we have drawn XY which is equal to 15 centimeter. Now measure the angle 60 degree at the point X. Measure angle 50 degree at the point Y and draw the angle bisectors of X and Y. And these angle bisectors meet at the point here, and this is the point C. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of X and C. You can see that. Next, these two. So these two yellow lines, which are the perpendicular bisectors of the angle bisectors meet at the point A, B and the C. So join them, you will get the triangle ABC. We can see that angle A is equal to 60 degree, angle B is equal to 50 degree, and the individual sides are measured. AB is equal to 5.4 centimeter, BC is equal to 5.1 centimeter, CA is equal to 4.5 centimeter, and the sum of these three sides is equal to 15 centimeter, which is given in the question. Perimeter is 15 centimeter. In this way, we can construct a triangle given its perimeter and the two base angles. Here, XA is equal to AC and BY is equal to BC. That's why the total, all the three sides is equal to 15 centimeter. So that's all about the chapter construction. I hope this revision mind map helped you to understand the constructions in a better way. Thank you, children.